Press the bottom of the oximeter to open the probe and insert your finger. Press the white button to turn on the oximeter. Measurements will appear in about half a minute. The device measures oxygen saturation of the blood, pulse rate, and perfusion index. An oxygen saturation level of 95% to 100% is considered normal. Values under 95% are considered low, and it is advisable to consult a doctor. The oximeter will turn off automatically within 8 seconds once your finger has been removed from the device. Enjoy using the BP Pulse Oximeter.